Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to craft Geoculus Resonance Stone in Genshin Impact. To do so, you first need to open your Genshin Impact via the Epic Games launcher. Once you're in-game, search for this craft icon, which looks like this one right here. So to interact with it, go near it and then press F. Talk to the NPC. Here are all the items you can craft. Here, search for Geoculus Resonance Stone, which is right over here. Click on it. So the crafting materials required are 5 core lapis. You'll need 5 glazed lily as well, and a crystal chunk. If you have all these items, click on this craft button. As you can see, it's going to cost me 500 more. So to confirm it, press on this confirm button and the item will be added to your inventory. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!